Have you ever wondered about the secrets hidden within the world's highest peaks? For millennia, one substance born from the very rock and life of these mountains has been revered across cultures for its profound effects on human vitality. This is the story of Shilajit, a journey through history, science, and traditional wisdom. Shilajit's history stretches back over 4,000 years, deeply embedded in the fabric of traditional medicine. Its origins are shrouded in both geological process and ancient observation. Legend speaks of villagers in the Himalayas observing monkeys migrating to higher altitudes during warmer months to consume a black tar-like substance seeping from the rocks. These observations led humans to discover Shilajit. Its remarkable effects on the monkey's strength and longevity prompted early peoples to explore its potential for themselves. This marked the beginning of its integration into folk medicine across vast regions. The knowledge of Shilajit spread across ancient civilizations. It was documented in various historical and medicinal texts. Scholars and physicians of antiquity recognized its unique properties. References to a substance resembling Shilajit appear in the writings of figures like Aristotle in ancient Greece. Later, the renowned Persian physician and philosopher Ibn Sina, known as Avicenna in the West, also described its uses in his comprehensive medical texts. Within the Indian subcontinent, Shilajit found its most prominent place in Ayurveda, one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems. Ayurvedic texts, compiled over centuries, detail its properties and applications extensively. It is classified as a rasayana. In Ayurveda, a rasayana is a substance that promotes rejuvenation, increases longevity, and enhances overall health and vitality. Shilajit is considered one of the most potent rasayanas. Its traditional uses align with the Ayurvedic principles of balancing the body's energies, or doshas. Ayurvedic texts describe Shilajit as having a pungent, katu, and bitter, tikta taste. It is said to possess a heating potency, ushna virya, and a sweet post-digestive effect, madhura vipaka. These properties are believed to help balance vata and kapha doshas, while potentially increasing pitta dosha if used improperly or in excess. Traditionally, Shilajit was used to address a wide spectrum of health concerns. It was highly valued for its ability to strengthen the body, improve physical performance, and combat fatigue. Its use was recommended for conditions related to weakness, debility, and aging. Shilajit is not confined to a single mountain range or region. It is found in several high-altitude mountain systems across Asia, including the Himalayas, the Altai Mountains, the Caucasus Mountains, and the mountains of Tibet and Central Asia. Its presence across these diverse areas led to different names. In Persia and Central Asia, it is often known as mumi or mumio. Other regional names exist, reflecting local languages and traditions. While the name varies, the core understanding of its origin from mountain rocks and its traditional uses remains consistent across these cultures. Across the regions where it was found, Shilajit was traditionally employed for a remarkable array of health issues. Beyond general vitality, historical accounts and traditional practices point to its use for specific ailments. These traditional applications formed the basis of its reputation as a panacea in some cultures. Historically, it was used to support bone health and aid in the healing of fractures. Its traditional use for conditions like arthritis suggests a perceived benefit for joint health and mobility. It was also traditionally applied to support metabolic health, including its use in traditional approaches to managing conditions like diabetes. One of the most consistent traditional uses of Shilajit across different cultures is its role in boosting energy and combating fatigue. Ancient warriors and laborers reportedly consumed it to enhance stamina and endurance. This traditional application highlights its historical significance as a natural performance enhancer. Its classification as a rasayana in Ayurveda directly relates to this perceived ability to revitalize the body and mind. The traditional belief was that it could restore energy levels, improve physical strength, and enhance overall resilience against stress and exertion. Beyond physical energy, traditional systems also valued Shilajit for its potential impact on cognitive function. It was traditionally used to support memory, concentration, and overall mental clarity. This suggests an ancient understanding of the connection between physical vitality and cognitive health. Furthermore, Shilajit held significance in traditional reproductive health practices. It was traditionally used to support both male and female reproductive systems, believed to enhance fertility and sexual vitality. These traditional uses underscore its broad application in ancient health practices. To understand Shilajit's properties, it's essential to understand what it is. Shilajit is a complex, tar-like substance that seeps from rocks in mountainous regions, particularly during warmer months. It is not simply a mineral deposit, but a biomineral pitch. Its formation is a process spanning centuries. It is believed to be the result of the decomposition of plant matter, such as specific species of euphorbia and other mountain flora, mixed with microbial metabolites and minerals from the rock. This organic-mineral interaction under pressure and specific environmental conditions creates Shilajit. The unique composition of Shilajit is key to its traditional and potential modern effects. While its exact composition can vary depending on the source, it is primarily composed of humic substances, including a high concentration of fulvic acid. Fulvic acid is a powerful organic compound known for its ability to transport nutrients. Shilajit also contains a rich array of minerals in ionic form. These include essential minerals like iron, copper, zinc, manganese, and many trace elements. The presence of these minerals combined with fulvic acid is thought to contribute significantly to its biological activity. Collecting raw Shilajit from mountain crevices is a challenging task. The raw substance often contains impurities like soil, rock particles, and plant debris. Therefore, traditional purification methods were developed to obtain a usable and potent form. These methods typically involve dissolving the raw Shilajit in water, filtering out the insoluble impurities, and then carefully evaporating the water to obtain a purified, solid or semi-solid extract. Traditional texts often describe specific purification processes, emphasizing the importance of purity for efficacy and safety. For centuries, the understanding and use of Shilajit were based solely on traditional knowledge, empirical observation, and historical texts. However, in recent decades, there has been a growing interest from the scientific community to investigate Shilajit using modern research methodologies. This marks a significant transition from purely traditional use to scientific inquiry. Researchers are seeking to understand the chemical composition of Shilajit, identify its active compounds, and validate the traditional claims through laboratory studies and clinical trials. Current scientific research on Shilajit is dedicated to exploring its potential health benefits and understanding the mechanisms by which it might work. This research builds upon the vast body of ancient knowledge, seeking to provide scientific evidence for traditional uses. Studies are investigating Shilajit's potential effects on various physiological processes. Areas of research include its impact on energy metabolism, cognitive function, antioxidant status, inflammatory responses, and bone health. This research is still ongoing, but initial findings are beginning to shed light on its complex properties. Modern research is exploring Shilajit's traditional use for energy and fatigue. Studies suggest that Shilajit may influence cellular energy production, particularly within the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. Research indicates that Shilajit, particularly its fulvic acid component, may help improve mitochondrial function. This could potentially lead to enhanced energy production at the cellular level, offering a scientific basis for its traditional use in combating fatigue and improving stamina. Following traditional claims about cognitive benefits, modern science is investigating Shilajit's potential effects on brain health. Research is exploring its possible neuroprotective properties and its impact on cognitive processes like memory and learning. Studies suggest that Shilajit may have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in the brain. Some research is also looking into its potential role in supporting nerve cell health and communication. This area of research is particularly relevant given the growing global interest in cognitive aging and brain health. Shilajit is rich in fulvic acid and other humic substances, which are known for their antioxidant properties. Modern research is confirming that Shilajit exhibits significant antioxidant activity, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Furthermore, studies are exploring Shilajit's potential anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, and compounds that can modulate inflammatory pathways are of great interest. Research suggests Shilajit may help regulate certain markers of inflammation. Traditional uses of Shilajit included supporting bone health and healing. Modern research is beginning to investigate these claims. Studies are exploring Shilajit's potential impact on bone density and its role in the formation and maintenance of connective tissues. The mineral content of Shilajit, combined with the potential for fulvic acid to enhance mineral absorption, is a focus of this research. Understanding how Shilajit might influence bone metabolism is an active area of scientific inquiry. As interest in Shilajit grows globally, particularly among health enthusiasts and wellness seekers, ensuring the quality and authenticity of the product is paramount. The composition and purity of Shilajit can vary significantly depending on its source and the purification process used. Reputable suppliers utilize modern purification techniques to remove impurities and contaminants, such as heavy metals, which can be present in the raw substance. Standardized extracts, often focusing on fulvic acid content, are becoming more common, allowing for more consistent dosing and research. For consumers, understanding the source and purification method of Shilajit is crucial. Impure or improperly processed Shilajit may not only be ineffective, but could also pose health risks. High-quality Shilajit is typically tested for purity and potency. Standardization helps ensure that each batch contains a consistent level of key active compounds, such as fulvic acid. This is important for both research purposes and for consumers seeking reliable effects. Choosing products from trusted sources that provide transparency about their sourcing and testing is highly recommended. Today, Shilajit is gaining popularity among health enthusiasts, athletes, and wellness seekers looking for natural ways to support their energy levels, cognitive function, and overall vitality. Its ancient reputation as a rejuvenator resonates with modern goals of healthy aging and optimal performance. Many individuals are incorporating purified Shilajit supplements into their daily routines. They are drawn to its historical use and the emerging scientific evidence supporting some of its traditional benefits. It is often sought after as a natural adaptogen, helping the body cope with stress. For students and practitioners of Ayurveda, Shilajit remains a vital substance within the traditional pharmacopoeia. Studying its properties, traditional uses, and preparation methods is fundamental to understanding Ayurvedic principles related to rasayana therapy and the management of various conditions. Modern research provides an opportunity for Ayurveda practitioners to bridge traditional knowledge with contemporary scientific understanding. This can help in explaining the potential mechanisms of action to patients and integrating Shilajit effectively within a holistic treatment plan. From ancient mountain lore and revered Ayurvedic texts to modern laboratories and wellness routines, Shilajit has journeyed through millennia. Its enduring legacy is a testament to its perceived power and broad spectrum of traditional uses. While scientific research is still unfolding, it is gradually providing insights into the complex composition and potential biological activities that underpin Shilajit's historical reputation. It stands as a fascinating example of how ancient wisdom can intersect with modern science to explore natural pathways to health and vitality. Ready to learn more about this ancient mountain secret? Dive deeper into the history, science, and traditional uses of Shilajit. Research reputable sources, understand the importance of purity and quality, and consider how this remarkable substance might fit into your personal wellness journey. Consult with a healthcare professional or qualified Ayurvedic practitioner to determine if Shilajit is right for you and to understand appropriate usage. Begin your exploration today and connect with a legacy of vitality that spans thousands of years.